Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk here in Miami at LTF 2024 is Mate Pencz. He is the founder and CEO at Loft. Mate, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here.
So I want to start off by talking about Loft. Tell me about the company and its mission.
Of course. So Loft is a leading real estate technology platform in Latin America. We were founded in 2018 in Brazil. We've since then expanded into Mexico. We're present in over 800 cities across Brazil and Mexico. And we're really here to facilitate the home buying, home renting, and financing process. So end to end, think of us as sort of a next generation digital platform to facilitate your entire journey in the real estate market as a residential real estate market consumer and also as an intermediary. So whether you're a broker, whether you're a brokerage or an end consumer, you come to Loft and we'll have the right solution set for you to find the perfect home to move to. Mm-hmm.
So what would you say differentiates you from others who are in this space?
Great question. So, we're here and we were founded in 2018. So a lot of our approach is sort of a 2.0 or next generation digital first approach and really end to end. So we're trying to encapsulate the entire process from searching for the home all the way through to financing and closing on the home in a 100% digital format. So if today, if you're a Brazilian resident, you could on your cell phone find the perfect home. We could help you find the right mortgage, find the right insurance, and do the entire process right here from Miami on your cell phone. So it's a digital first, 100% digitally native process that covers the entirety of the value chain in the market and also covers the market at a national level.
And what are your thoughts on the future of AI and how it may affect your business and your customers?
So I think we're getting into a really exciting phase where some of these AI applications are really starting to benefit the business from a cost perspective and starting to benefit also the end consumer in terms of providing kind of real-time 24/7 customer service and support. So again, big benefit to the company from an efficiency perspective, but also to the end customer and to all of our clients. It's sort of an benefit of having real-time information and real-time transactability from anywhere. So it's I think it's making real strides within the company from a productivity and from a customer service perspective. I do also think that the top of funnel experience or sort of search process is really getting redesigned and revolutionized. The same way that with OpenAI, we're starting to go towards a kind of more prompt-based or search-based world. We're also seeing a big transition from sort of instead of browsing a large website to talking on a more interactive basis with our AI agents and finding the right home in a much more speedy and specific fashion as well. So a lot of that through WhatsApp. Brazil and Mexico obviously have very large WhatsApp penetration, and a lot of our features today are loaded onto some of these conversational platforms. So we're seeing many people transition over from, again, browsing a standard website to going directly to our chatbots and going to our semantic search on the site and saying, hey, I want an apartment that has this kind of sunset view in that neighborhood, and we'll show you a couple of those options and provide you that output directly instead of you having to browse a lot of those options. So it's a much more directed, much more specific and focused way of finding exactly what you want.
And as you look to the year ahead, what are you most focused on?
So it's a year of profitable growth for us. We just reached profitability at the end of last year, 2023. We've really changed the paradigm and the culture inside of the company from having grown very rapidly over the last 5 to 6 years. This year is the first full year of profitability for us. So we're very focused on balancing both the short-term challenges of maintaining profitability, but also looking ahead to the medium to long-term horizon and investing behind our growth. So it's a year of balance between growth and profitability and utilizing as many of the AI tools that are out there, AI capabilities, to really start leveraging the business and position us well for the year to come.
And we're here in Miami at LTF 2024. What are you hoping to gain from being here with other leaders and experts?
So this is really in my view, the best conference to exchange with peers, to exchange with a lot of our existing investors and friends in the entire ecosystem. It's a conference that covers the entire region, which is also special. As a pan-Latin American company, it's great to have folks from Brazil, from Argentina, from Mexico here as well. So it's a, it's a great conference from just a knowledge exchange perspective. And it's also very nice to see kind of the whole spectrum from early stage companies, investors, all the way through to market leading post IPO companies as well.
And finally, you are a tech founder. Tell me, if you could create one invention that would make your life easier, what would it be?
I think I would love to have a teleportation feature, actually. If we could kind of magically teleport ourselves to the different offices, and I think that would be fantastic. Be present, all across our offices and cities and countries that we operate in. That'd be quite magical.
It would be. All right. Well, Matej, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much. Glad to be here.